China's strides in quantum computing have sent ripples through the scientific community. This technological leap is not just a testament to their growing expertise, but also a clear signal of their intent to lead the future of technology. The advancements in quantum computing are poised to revolutionize various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and China is positioning itself at the forefront of this revolution. At the heart of this progress is Jiuzhang, a quantum computer that has become a symbol of China's technological ambitions. Named after an ancient Chinese mathematical text, Jiuzhang represents a blend of historical wisdom and futuristic innovation. It stands as a beacon of what the future holds for quantum computing. Chinese researchers claim that Jiuzhang has achieved a remarkable feat, outperforming Google's Sycamore quantum computer by a factor of 1,000,000. This achievement, if verified, would mark a significant milestone in the race for quantum supremacy. It showcases the dedication and relentless pursuit of excellence by Chinese scientists and engineers. This bold claim has positioned China at the forefront of the global quantum race, challenging the established dominance of American tech giants. The implications of this are profound, as it could shift the balance of technological power and influence on a global scale. The world watches closely as China continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. The announcement of Jiuzhang's capabilities has ignited a debate about the future of quantum computing. Experts and analysts are now scrutinizing the data and methodologies used to achieve these results. The scientific community is abuzz with discussions on the potential and limitations of this groundbreaking technology. If China's claims are validated, it would signify a major power shift in the technological landscape. Such a shift could have far-reaching consequences, influencing everything from global economic policies to national security strategies. The stakes are incredibly high, and the world is keenly observing the unfolding developments. The potential implications for fields ranging from cryptography to materials science are immense. Quantum computing could unlock new possibilities in drug discovery, climate modeling, and artificial intelligence, among other areas. The ripple effects of these advancements could transform industries and improve lives in ways we are only beginning to imagine. Jiuzhang's emergence underscores China's commitment to becoming a global leader in cutting-edge technologies. This commitment is reflected in their substantial investments in research and development, as well as their strategic initiatives to foster innovation. As China continues to make strides in quantum computing, the world watches with anticipation, aware that the future of technology may very well be shaped by these groundbreaking advancements. In 2019, Google made headlines by claiming to have achieved quantum supremacy. This announcement was a significant milestone in the field of quantum computing, a technology that promises to revolutionize various industries by solving complex problems much faster than classical computers. The term quantum supremacy signifies a quantum computer's ability to solve a problem that would be practically impossible for even the most powerful classical computers. This concept has been a long-standing goal for researchers in the field, representing a major leap forward in computational capabilities. Google's Sycamore processor, a 53-qubit superconducting quantum computer, performed a specific calculation in minutes, a task that would have taken a classical supercomputer thousands of years. This achievement was seen as a demonstration of the potential power of quantum computing, showcasing the advanced technology behind Sycamore. However, Google's claim was not without its critics. The announcement sparked a heated debate within the scientific community, with some experts questioning the validity and implications of Google's findings. IBM, another major player in quantum computing, challenged the significance of Google's achievement. They argued that the problem Google chose to solve, while impressive, did not have practical applications that would benefit real-world scenarios. IBM contended that with different algorithms and more classical computing resources, the same problem could be solved in a much shorter time than Google claimed. This perspective added another layer to the ongoing debate about what constitutes true quantum supremacy. This debate highlighted the complexities of defining and achieving quantum supremacy and the ongoing competition among tech giants in this emerging field. As companies like Google and IBM continue to push the boundaries of technology, the race to achieve and define quantum supremacy remains a dynamic and evolving challenge. China's emergence as a quantum powerhouse is not accidental. It is the result of a deliberate and sustained investment in research and development. The Chinese government has recognized the strategic importance of quantum technologies and has poured billions of dollars into funding research programs, building state-of-the-art facilities, and nurturing talent in this field. Key institutions like the Chinese Academy of Sciences, home to the team behind Jiuzhang, have played a pivotal role in driving China's quantum progress. Universities and private companies are also actively contributing to the development of quantum computers, algorithms, and applications. This coordinated effort across academia and industry has created a vibrant ecosystem for quantum innovation in China. Jiuzhang, named after an ancient Chinese mathematical text, is a photonic quantum computer. Unlike superconducting quantum computers like Google's Sycamore, which rely on manipulating superconducting circuits, Jiuzhang harnesses the power of light particles, or photons. This approach offers potential advantages in terms of scalability and operating temperature. Jiuzhang's claim to fame is its performance on a specific problem known as Gaussian boson sampling. This complex mathematical problem involves simulating the behavior of photons as they interact within a network of optical components. Jiuzhang's ability to solve this problem significantly faster than any classical computer demonstrates its immense computational power in this domain. One of the most promising applications of quantum computing lies in the field of drug discovery. This field has long been plagued by the limitations of classical computing, which struggles to accurately simulate the complex interactions between molecules. These interactions are crucial for understanding drug efficacy and safety, but their complexity often results in lengthy and costly research processes. The complex interactions between molecules that govern drug efficacy and safety are notoriously difficult to simulate using classical computers. Traditional methods often require approximations that can lead to less accurate predictions, slowing down the drug development process and increasing costs. Quantum computers, with their ability to handle vast amounts of data and perform complex calculations, offer the potential to revolutionize this process. By leveraging quantum mechanics, these advanced machines can simulate molecular interactions with unprecedented accuracy, potentially reducing the time and cost associated with bringing new drugs to market. Chinese researchers are at the forefront of exploring these applications. Their innovative approaches and significant investments in quantum technology are paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in drug discovery. A collaboration between Tencent Quantum Lab, China Pharmaceutical University, and ASMPI Biotechnology has led to the development of a quantum computing pipeline specifically designed for drug discovery. This partnership combines expertise in quantum computing, pharmaceutical research, and biotechnology to create a powerful tool for accelerating drug development. This pipeline has already been tested on real-world drug design problems, demonstrating its potential to accelerate the development of new therapeutics. Early results are promising, showing that quantum computing can significantly enhance the precision and efficiency of drug discovery, potentially leading to faster and more effective treatments for a variety of diseases. Section 6. The Global Quantum Race, China versus the Titans. China's rapid progress in quantum computing has intensified the global competition in this field. The United States, with tech giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft heavily invested in quantum research, remains a major player. Europe is also making significant strides with substantial government funding and a strong research base. While comparisons between different quantum computing platforms and their achievements can be complex, there is no doubt that China has emerged as a serious contender. The country's significant investments, combined with its technological prowess and a growing pool of talent, have positioned it to become a leader in the quantum era. Section 7. China's quantum rise implications for the world. China's growing quantum capabilities have far-reaching implications for the global balance of power. The potential for economic disruption is significant, as quantum technologies have the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from finance to materials science. The national security implications are also profound. Quantum computers, with their ability to break currently used encryption algorithms, pose a significant threat to cybersecurity. This has led to concerns about a quantum arms race as nations strive to develop quantum-resistant cryptography and secure their communications in the post-quantum world. China's advancements in quantum computing have added a new dimension to these concerns. Section 8. The Future Landscape: China's Quantum Trajectory. Predicting the future of quantum computing is a complex task. The field is still in its early stages, and significant technological hurdles remain before large-scale, fault-tolerant quantum computers become a reality. However, China's trajectory suggests that it will continue to be a major force in shaping the quantum future. China's focus on building a robust quantum ecosystem, from fundamental research to industrial applications, is likely to yield further breakthroughs in the coming years. The country's vast resources and its commitment to innovation make it well positioned to capitalize on the transformative potential of quantum technologies. Section 9. Conclusion: Navigating the quantum future. The advent of quantum computing marks a profound shift in the technological landscape. China's emergence as a major player in this field has added a new dimension to the global competition for technological supremacy. As quantum technologies mature, they hold the promise of revolutionizing various aspects of our lives, from medicine to material science. Navigating this quantum future requires international cooperation and a shared understanding of the potential benefits and risks of this transformative technology. China's role in shaping this future will be crucial, and its continued progress in quantum computing will undoubtedly have a profound impact on the world.